What's going on? What's going on, everybody? Man, I'm your host, Hollie Mayes. I am the options guru, man. Listen, just wanted to share some with you guys before we ended the night, man. Listen, this is our first night doing this at night, guys, and we are excited. We're going to do a little bit of a market recap. We're going to tell you guys what to expect for tomorrow as well. Hey, do me a favor. Make sure before you do anything, do me a favor, guys. Make sure that you like and subscribe this channel. Okay, we want to make sure that you get notifications on everything that we do. We don't want to keep nothing a secret, so please make sure you hit that bell, as that way you can receive notifications and updates when we are on. Also, guys, I want to give a disclaimer: we are not financial advisors, so please do your own due diligence. Please do your own research. As a matter of fact, this is for edutainment only, okay? Which is education and entertainment, okay? We just want to provide you with information, man. We are a resource, all right? Also, guys, do me a favor, man. Y'all make sure y'all check out Appointed Apparel Clothing LLC on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and also go to appointedapparelclothing.com, man. Get the new gear, God over everything, man. Listen, guys, let's go ahead and get in this, man. Let's go ahead and get into it real quickly. Man, what an up and down day today. It really was, man. And I am just ecstatic about what was going on. And I got a couple things I want you guys to look at tomorrow that I think is going to make your money go just boom. Okay. Guys, thank you guys for joining us, guys. Do me a favor. Make sure you share this as well. But we're going to look at a couple plays, man. We're going to go over the plays that we talked about today, and we're going to see actually how they fared out. And we're going to talk about what's going to happen tomorrow. And we're going to kind of give you guys a good understanding of what we're looking at tomorrow. But the first play that I'm going to be looking at, guys, is NEO. Remember, we talked about NEO. We had, if it's plus $23, you're going to put a call in. If it's lower than $22.25, then guess what? We're going to put a put in. Now, guys, I'm looking at this in Robinhood. So NEO went down 11 cents today, which is about 0.50%. And it ended at 22.30. Now, let me tell you guys the entry point that I got in NEO in. The first entry point I got in NEO in, guys, if you're looking at this, the highest it got, and let me say this, the highest it actually got, and let me get over here to my trusted Robinhood app. The highest it got, guys, was take some time to get onto this thing. Hold on. All right, I'm on it. All right, so the highest it got, guys, it looked like it was $23, guys. So let me be very clear with you. I did not put a call in on this. I did not put a call in this at any time. When it opened up this morning at about $22.27, I knew then that I wasn't going to put a call in on this. Now, even though I know it went up to 22.90, and then it dipped all the way back down to 22.10, then it went up to 23, then it dipped back down to 22.28, then it went back up to 22.80, and then it ended the day, guys, at 22.64. And then the after hours is down. Guys, listen, I knew that I was going to put a put in, guys, and I put a put in, and I'm keeping it overnight, guys. And as you can see in the markets, it's already down 1%. So, guys, this is really what I was talking about with the market being up and down today. I mean, the VIX was all over the place. It was up and down, up and down. So, I mean, you could have made some money today. However, this is one of those rare plays where I just kept it overnight. Okay, I did. I just kept it overnight. So that's what I did with NEO. The next thing is IBM, guys. And I saw some good things in IBM. I really did. I saw some really good things in IBM. IBM came in flat, and it really, really hit the bottom. So IBM was already down $1.61 when the market opened. So it was at $136.24. Now, let me tell you what I did with IBM. Y'all see the entry point on IBM for a call, right? Now, remind you, IBM got all the way up to 138.17. So when I got in IBM, it was at 136.50. Let me see, 136.34 is when I got in IBM. I rode it up to 137.84. I got out. Okay, I let it dip back down to 136.85, and then I rode it all the way back to 138.04. That's where I got out of it. Okay, so guys, when we talk about entry points, guys, this is what we're talking about. Okay, this is what we're talking about. These are the entry points that we're talking about, guys. So if you can see how the plays are going. So when people text me and say, "Well, Mays, I didn't have a chance, man. It was only $1 or $2." Well, you have to understand, 0.56% in a stock or 1% in a stock is a lot of money, especially if you got to play this in the money. So this is where we got to really look at this, guys. We got to really look at it like, hey, wait, let me see where it is. Remember, a $50 gain is still profit, guys. Okay, a $50 gain is still profit. Don't look at it that it got to be in the hundreds and the 200s and the 300s. Guys, we'll talk about that more on the $50 a day challenge. But guys, take your profits. That was one of the voice of reason thoughts for the day. Take your profits. Why? Because you can't stay long. That was number 2. Don't stay long. Matter of fact, you know what? Because I don't want nobody to think I'm making this up. Let me go ahead and give it to you. The voice of the reason thoughts today. Number 1 was it's the red sea when we open. Number 2 was don't stay long. Number 3 was take your profits. And number 4 was bounces are not your friend. Bounces are not your friend. Okay, you are not going to get a heck of a bounce today. All right. So in IBM, guys, I got into play a couple times. I got in on the way up. I let it come back down, got in on the way back up again, guys. We did really well on that. So, guys, real quickly, make sure that you're paying attention to these things. Guys, again, these are resources, okay? What was the next play we talked about, guys? We talked about FedEx, okay? FedEx. And I'm starting to like FedEx, actually. I'm starting to like FedEx. Now, with FedEx, it came in today. It came in today on the way up at 227.85. Now, let me tell you something about FedEx. FedEx actually started coming up when it hit 226.50. It was down $4.02, and then it came all the way up when the market opened, and it came to 227.85. Now, that's not where I came in at. Okay, let me tell you where I got in at with FedEx. Okay, I didn't get in FedEx until about 11 o'clock when it was at 227. Okay, when it was at 227. All right, now I got in FedEx and it ran all the way up to 230.08. Okay, 230.08. That's when I got in it, and I get it. Somebody's gonna say, "Well, hold on, man. The numbers you said get in at 230.65." Well, hold on. And that's what I did. Okay, when it got up to about 231, here it is. When it got up to 231.52 and dipped back down to 229.78, when it got to 230, there it is, 230.80, I got in with a put. Okay, now I lost a little bit. I got in with a put. Okay, and then I rode it back up to 230. Sorry, 230.08. All right. So my numbers were a little off. I'm gonna tell you, it was a little off because, like I said, the VIX was quirky today. But I did make some money in FedEx. Right now, I'm not in FedEx right now. So we did pretty good in FedEx. Like I say, we was up 50, 60 bucks. But I did put a put in at 230 as opposed to putting a call in because that was right after Fed Chairman started to speak, and then the market started to go down. So now that 230 that would have ordinarily, guys, let me just say this, it would have ordinarily been shooting to the moon. Guess what? It dropped down, and I saw that because I saw it in the VIX, and I also saw it in other high growth stocks like Tesla. So this is why I tell you guys, you can't stay in stuff long. You got to pay attention. You got to pay attention. The last one, guys, is Coke. Now, I didn't get in Coke today. I did not get in Coke today. However, Coke did absolutely phenomenal, guys. So listen, when the market opened, Coke was at $60.24. Coke ran all the way up the entire day to $61.38. If you stayed in Coke, man, let me tell you something. You made some money. You made some money. I'm telling you right now, you made some money because from the time Coke started at $60.52, then it went up to $60.74, dipped down to $60.49, I'm sorry. And right at $60.75 is when I would have got in. Okay. When I saw it kind of break some of those 200-day, 50-day, 100 moving day averages, that's when I would have got in. Okay, guys. But I'm just trying to teach you guys also entry points. Okay. No, you never know when something's going to dip and something's going to go back up. You don't know that, but you got to pick and choose. This is why you got to have your one, a stop loss on, but number two, the reason why you have to have your moving day averages. You got to have your 100, 200, and your 50. Okay, these are crucial, and you got to have your RSI charts up as well. Okay, if you don't know what those are, hey, do me a favor, hit me up in the link. But more than anything, man, just continue to follow. And we're doing our options classes, and I'll even show you guys how to dollar cost average on option trading. Guys, I'm ready to get to Tesla. Okay, I want to get to Tesla, man, because a lot of people thought I was crazy with Tesla because Tesla shot up like a rocket, guys. It shot up like a rocket. Let me tell you what Tesla did. From the time Tesla got up at 8:30, Tesla was at 7:04, right? At the beginning of the market, right? And Tesla went all the way up to 7:38. I mean, this thing at one point was up $30, if I'm not mistaken. It was up $30. But watch what Tesla did, guys. And I told my guys, you need to put in a put. They were like, no, Hollie, you don't need to put a put. Yes, you do. Because Tesla is not going to stay there. So now Tesla came all the way down by the end of the day to 709. And guess what? In the aftermarket, it's at 702. And I'm going to tell you right now, in the morning, it's probably going to be under 690. Okay. And that was the move that we made for Tesla, guys. So listen, guys, I mean, we make plays like this every day, guys, so that you could benefit from them, so you could do your due diligence, so that you could live, you could learn. But more than anything, guys, you can teach someone else or help someone else, guys. That's why we do these plays, guys. I'm telling you, we're the realest option channel that you'll probably ever be a part of, guys. We're doing this every single day, guys, twice a day. We're looking to add 3 times a day, but guys, we're going to do a pre-market talk as well, guys, starting at 8 o'clock every single morning. You don't want to miss this. And we're going to also do a post-market wrap-up, guys, at 9 o'clock every single night, guys. Listen, guys, I love you with the love of the Lord, man. Tomorrow is going to be what looks like a down day. Tomorrow, it looks like it's going to be a down day. The futures were all over the place. Fed Chairman Powell spoke. We got Biden, who canceled out the gas tax bill. Listen, it ain't no telling what the market's going to be. So listen, guys, just be mindful tomorrow, okay? Be patient tomorrow. If you're not already in a play, I hope that when you left the market, you saw the way the market was going, and you saw that it was in a downtrend, it was in a bearish movement, and you put puts in. But if you didn't put a put in, I would wait till about 9 o'clock tomorrow to really see, 8:45, 9 o'clock, to really see what the market is doing, okay? But guys, it looks like it's going to be bearish tomorrow. The VIX is shot up, and it just looks like it's going to be a bearish day tomorrow. So guys, be patient in the morning. Make sure you take a look at your charts. Make sure you're listening to CNBC, you're looking at Forbes, Bloomberg, whatever news channel you listen to. Hey, make sure you're doing your due diligence before you go jump in a play, guys, okay? Because guys, it's a lot of money on the up end and bottom end to be made in option trading, guys. Listen, we want you to click our link in the low. If you want to get some free stock, man, just click my Robinhood link in the description, guys. If you guys also want some top Christian apparel, man, some street apparel, and something that you can wear with some nice boots, man, go to appointedapparelclothing.com. Again, appointedapparelclothing.com. Hey, man, again, we love you guys with the love of the Lord. Remember to uplift Christ wherever you go, and do me a favor, make the rest of your day, guess what, guys? The best of your day. Guys, I'm out of here, guys. Peace.